Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's Breanna Nicole, and today I'm going to be doing this makeup look for you guys. I felt like playing around with color today, and plus my shirt is orange. Yes, I am wearing a shirt. It kind of looks weird in the camera because you can't get all of it, but I am wearing a shirt. And I decided to play around with like cut creases and stuff. So obviously I'm not an expert. I'm still learning how to do this, which I say in every video, but I feel like I need to give that disclaimer because I am working on blending and working with hooded eyes and still learning where to place my shadows and things like that. But I decided to share this with you guys so you guys could maybe see that we all start somewhere, and maybe this would help you guys to practice with me, and we can all get better together and make progress together. So if you're interested in doing this makeup look with me or seeing how I created this look, then please keep on watching. Okay, so we're gonna get started right away. So the first palette that I'm gonna be taking is the Modern Renaissance palette, which just looks like this. I'm sure you guys all know what this palette looks like. And the first color I'm gonna be taking is Burnt Orange, which is this shade right here. I'm gonna use this as my transition shade. And I'm just going to start applying this like above my crease. And I'm going to use this, like I said, as my transition shade. Okay, so now I'm just going to start going into the Morphe OM palette, 35 OM palette. And I'm just going to take, let's see, on my M507 brush, I'm just going to take this lighter orange shade, which is right here. So I'm just going to take this and I'm going to put this below my transition color and almost like on top of it, but still allowing a little of the transition color to show. This brush is really making it hard to blend out, so I'm going to take a fluffy brush, just looks like this, and this doesn't have any product on it, and I'm just going to blend the orange that I have on there. Okay, and then I'm going to deepen this color a little bit, and on my M506 brush from Morphe, I'm going to take a deeper orangish shade, which is right here, and I'm going to place this a little bit below the second shade that I placed. Okay, and then I'm going to deepen this even further, which I know you guys are like, what is going on? So I'm going to take this really orangey shade, and this is almost like an orangish. This is like true orange in my opinion. So I'm just going to take this on my M506 brush. This is another M506 brush, and I'm just going to take this and I'm going to use that to deepen up the look even more. Really focusing this on the inner corners, or outer corners I should say, and really into like my crease. Okay, this isn't giving me the depth that I'm really looking for, so I'm gonna take this bottom shade right down here. I'm trying to see if you guys can see that. So I'm gonna take this bottom shade right down here, and I'm gonna do the same thing and just focus that on the outer corner, the outer V, to kind of give some depth and definition into the eye. Okay, so then I'm going to go back in with the M507 brush and take the color that I was using that was like more orangey, and I'm just going to place this where I had it which was because I lost a little bit of color and it's not as orange as I really wanted it to be. So I'm just going to place a little bit on here and then I'm just going to blend it out so I don't look crazy. So now for the exciting part, we're going to cut the crease. So pray for me. Hopefully I do this correctly. So to cut my crease, I'm going to be using the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer in medium. And this is going to be a half cut crease. So before I cut my crease, because I want to apply my shadows pretty much on top of wet concealer, so I'm going to be using the 35B palette for my crease shade, or for my cut crease. I'm going to be using this yellow down here. And to top it off, I might use this goldish, yellowish tone on top of it, but I'm not sure. We'll just see how they both look. Okay, so then I'm just going to take a flat head brush from Wet n Wild, and I'm just going to take a little bit of concealer and start cutting my crease. So I have hooded eyes, so I need to cut the crease above my actual crease, because if I put it in my actual crease, the eye hood is going to cover it and you're not going to be able to see it. So I just place it. Cool trick to do is to place just a little bit of concealer, look up, and then you'll see it'll make a natural place for where you want to cut your crease. I probably should have used a smaller brush for this. About halfway. So then what I'm going to do is I'm gonna like take my finger and kind of like dab around the edges, so it makes it like a little bit easier to blend when I'm all ready. Okay, so now I'm going to take a flat head brush and I'm going to go into that yellow shade that I first showed you guys, and we'll see how that looks. Ooh, it's not as yellow or bright as I was hoping. This is like a really, really, really dull yellow. I wasn't expecting it to be like that. Wow, okay. I don't know how I feel about this. I'm gonna try to wipe this fallout out. Okay, so then I'm just gonna go back around the edges and I'm going to use the darker color that I used in the other Morphe palette, the darkest orange that I pointed out in the corner, and I'm just going to add some more color and dimension into that. And then I'm gonna go back in with mixing the oranges together and just kind of like working those colors around the edges of the shadows. I don't know if I should like extend it now. I'm thinking about just extending it because I don't know, I think I might want to extend this all the way down now. So, oh, I just took the wrong brush. A struggle. I think I'm going to extend my cut crease and just take it all the way down. I really recommend not switching or changing your mind midway through your makeup. I look crazy. So now we're gonna go back in. I'm first gonna wipe this yellow off. And I just dropped it. So now we're gonna go back in and we're gonna go around the edges of the yellow shade and we're going to soften them. And we're going to add, soften, add, soften, add, soften. To finish this, I think I'm going to put on a black liquid eyeliner. But to finish this off, I'm going to put on a black liquid eyeliner. And then I'm going to put on mascara and lashes. But I'm actually going to finish this eye. This is a tutorial for in Spanish. So I'm going to do that. And then I'll be back to show you guys like the finished look. Hi my loves, this is the finished look. I forgot to tell you guys while I was doing this. I put a little bit of the highlighter from Fenty Beauty, Hustla Baby, on my eyebrow bone and then in my inner corner. And then because I don't have a white eyeliner, I use like a whitish eyeshadow and put that on my lower lash line to kind of open up the eye more. And then for lips, I used the lip liner from Milani and Most Natural. And then I used the lip gloss from Mother Pucker Pillow Plump XXL, and this is in Nude in Town. So I just used these two products for my lips. And then for my lashes, I'm wearing the Dodo lashes in 309. And guys, I do have a code for Dodo lashes. They are so affordable and such good quality, and I absolutely love them so much. That's why I have them all the time. I usually reach for these lashes more. And these are in 309, like I said, D309, like I said. So I will have all of the products that I use down below, and I will also have the discount codes, because I do have discount codes for Dodo lashes, like I said, guys, and I have a discount code for other things. So make sure that you pay attention to the description box, because there is a bunch of things that could help you guys out there. So I really hope you guys enjoyed this makeup tutorial. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you guys in my next video.